to know how you can earn money by just clicking on ads? What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money by clicking on ads and how much you can realistically earn when you click on one ad. Making money online by clicking on ad has become very popular, as this is one of the easiest ways to earn extra cash online. So if this is the kind of content you would like to watch, if this is what interests you, stick around to the end of this video to find out more about the website involved and how to get started. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinenyenwa. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. So if this is the kind of content that interests you, please join the family by subscribing to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel, which is every Wednesdays. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Now, without further ado, I'm going to take you to my screen to show you this website, how to get started, and hopefully you can check them out yourself and start using them to make extra cash online. Now, let's go to my screen. One of the websites that will pay you to click on ad is TimeBucks. All right, if you don't have a TimeBucks account, you can use the link in the description to go and create your TimeBucks account. When you create your account, when you sign up, you have to verify your email by going to your email to verify your account. All right, so once that is done, your dashboard is ready to be used. What you need to do is to come over to your dashboard, log into your account, your TimeBucks account, log in and come over to your dashboard and click on content. Okay, when you click on this content, it will bring you these options. Okay, you see the click ad. All right, now you can see what it said here. In these tags, you will get paid to click on links from advertisers. You must view the website for the specific time in, let me bring this down. You must view the website for the specific time in seconds to receive your credit. The credit they're talking about is you getting paid. All right. You can only view one ad at a time. If you close the tab before the timer ends, the timer will stop and you won't receive your credit. These are the clicks that are available. Okay, total offer available is 18. Money available to earn is 0.032. All right, now you can click on, you can tick this box here, play sound when timer is finished. To click on the ads, all right, you have to watch the ad for some seconds, like this particular one here. Like this particular one says, you should watch this ad, view the content for 5 seconds. All right, and the payout is 0.001. I mean, this is I think this is okay for clicking on ads. Like, it's the payout is okay. As the timer finishes, you earn your 0.001 cents or dollar. All right, so this is how you can earn by clicking on ads. It's very simple, and there are other ways you can also make money by slideshows. Okay, clicking on slideshows and say offer remaining today is 20. Okay, so you can click on this ad shows, click on view, and once you're done clicking on this, offer expires in 17 hours 45 minutes. So go through at least 7 pages in the slideshow to be credited. So once you're done with the slideshow, you earn 0.001. Again, I feel this is okay. I think this is a good payout for just you clicking and watching slideshow. The other way you can earn money is by push click as well. Okay, in these tags, you will get paid to click on browser push notifications. Okay, this is actually another way you can earn money by clicking on ad. This is push clicks. Okay, another way you can also make money on this side aside clicking ads is taking surveys. All right, you can take surveys. You can see these are different surveys you can take. Okay, you can take surveys from this site and you can earn money. All right, survey pay higher than clicking ads. So if you want to make more, if you want to earn more extra money, you can come over to survey and click on start, taking surveys. The website that will pay you to click on ad is ScarletClicks. Now, if you don't have an account on ScarletClicks, you can also use the link down in the description to create your own account. Okay, it will bring you to your dashboard, right, where you see different ads. Okay, you see pay per click. When you click on this pay per click, you see the ads, or this particular one, pay per click. When you click on it, it's loading. These are the ads that are available. Okay, I have 5 ads available for me to click. All right, so when I go ahead and click on this one, this ad here, you don't actually need to watch the ad. You just click on it and you will get paid. Okay, once the ad opens, okay, the ad is open and I've earned 0.001. Okay, and I'll click another ad. You just click on it and I've earned another 0.001, and I'll click another one. Okay, I've earned another 0.01. Okay, and I go ahead and click another one. I click another ad. Okay, I've earned 0.01. And then another ad, which is the last ad. And you can see I've earned another 0.01. All right, so here they said, well done. You finished the ads available for silver membership. Now, there are 3 types of membership on ScarletClicks. They have the silver membership, they have the gold membership, and they have the platinum membership. All right, so if you can upgrade to gold membership and earn $3.50 per day. To upgrade, what you need to do is to click here to upgrade. All right, when you click there to upgrade, you can find this is silver, this is gold, and this is platinum. And silver membership is free. When you sign up, it's free, and then you can upgrade to have more ads to click or available ads from 0.01 per click. All right, and the submit payouts weekly, 0 commission payout, instant payout release. So you can upgrade to gold membership with only $19.95, and platinum membership is $49.95. Upgrade is your choice. If you feel you want to upgrade, then it's your choice. You can go ahead. Like, you feel like you want some money, you want more money, you want to earn more money, then you can upgrade to gold membership or platinum membership and start using it to make some money. Here you have all available ads, but with the silver membership you have limited ads. All right, there are a lot of people who are making money here. Like, if you come over to top membership, when you click on top membership, you can see the top 10 members that are actually earning or that have earned higher. All right, this is from US, from UK, and this is from Ireland. I think from Ireland. So this one also, you can see them, they are earning. This one has earned $50. This one is $50. The one of US earned $270. And this one from UK earned $143. So people are actually making money from this app. All right, if you want to make money from this app, you have to be consistent. Okay, you have to make sure that you're showing up every single day, clicking on ads, because the amount of money you earn from this website depends on the amount of time you are willing to put into participating in the ads. All right, so you can't just put in, like, you can't be clicking on ads once in a week and you expect to make this kind of money. You have to be consistent every single day. All right, you don't have to quit your job for this. All right, this is like you earning. This is a way for you to earn extra income. Like, it's a way for you to earn extra income. All right, so you don't have to quit your job for this. So if you're looking for additional income, $1, $2, $3, you can sign up with this website and start using it to make some extra money. You can upgrade to gold membership. You can always upgrade to gold membership or platinum membership to earn more. Okay, to earn more, because silver membership has limited ads. You won't have many ads to click in a day, but with gold and platinum you have more ads to click in a day. Okay, and more ads equals to more money. All right, click, you can receive your payments via, let's click on payouts, and then we can see. So the minimum payout is $50. Payout method is the payout through PayPal. Okay, if you have a PayPal account, they pay out through PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, I've made a video on how to create a PayPal account. You can create yours. All right, you can go. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description for you to. You can go watch the video and learn how to create your PayPal account. Okay, they also pay out using Bitcoin. They pay out via bank transfer and Western Union. Okay, these are the payout methods. If you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. In the comment section if you're using any of these websites to make money online. I will also want to hear from you. All right, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate you all. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.